Welcome back to Amazing Car, where we bring classic machines back to life. Today, we're diving into the legendary 1970 Datsun 510, a car that redefined the affordable sports sedan and helped shape the future of Japanese performance engineering. Cut to exterior shots, full walk-around of the car. The Datsun 510 came onto the scene with sleek European-inspired styling, crisp lines, and a compact yet muscular stance. From its bold front grille to the clean tail design, it was a true head-turner in its day and still commands respect at car meets and on the road today. Interior close-ups, dashboard, seats, steering wheel. Slide into the interior and you're greeted by a minimalist but purposeful cabin. The bucket seats are firm, functional, and surprisingly comfortable, giving just enough support for spirited driving. The dashboard is simple, featuring large, clear gauges and a no-nonsense layout that puts the focus on driving. The classic three-spoke steering wheel gives you that connected feel, while the wood grain dash trim adds a touch of elegance. Cut to under the hood, engine bay. Under the hood, the 1970 Datsun 510 packed a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 96 horsepower. It might not sound like much today, but with its light-weight chassis and rear-wheel drive layout, the 510 was a nimble, agile performer. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivered sharp throttle response and tight cornering, making it a true driver's car. Show footage of car on curvy roads. What really set the Datsun 510 apart was its fully independent suspension, a rarity in its class at the time. This gave it incredible handling for the era, earning it the nickname the poor man's BMW. Whether you were hitting canyon roads or tearing up a local rally stage, the 510 had the heart of a champion. Vintage photos of racing and rally versions. The Datsun 510 also gained fame on the track, dominating SCCA competitions in the early '70s and putting Nissan on the motorsport map in the US. It was more than just a car, it was a revolution for enthusiasts on a budget. Closing shots of car parked at sunset. The 1970 Datsun 510 is a symbol of smart design, performance engineering, and timeless style. It's no wonder this classic continues to inspire car lovers and tuners even today. Thanks for watching Amazing Car. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classics that shaped automotive history.